You may know us for our systems going on performance applications like this or daily drivers, but we are much more than that.
Much more.
We're going to walk you through our manufacturing facility here in Washington, Missouri, and discuss our capabilities that go far beyond what you might know us for. This right here is really the machine
that projected us here.
Projected us. It really launched our R&D capabilities and expanded it. It's a Mazak VCN 570C 3-axis mill. So square components, placing holes in the components, tapping. Mills are super useful, and what it has really helped us with is we have a product right here, for instance, that we recently released. This is a universal drop-in, a heavy-duty unit, and this machine, we will design it right here in-house, right up front. We can take it out here the same day if we get the design done, machine it, and then put it right on our flow bench right there and begin testing. Take notes on what we love about it, take notes on where we need to make improvements or changes, and then build upon that, change the design, rework the prototype, and just fine-tune each product and make them as good as we possibly can.
This is out about a month ago, right?
Right.
That's a new drop-in for anything that has a supply side pump and provides it upstream. We can separate out the air upstream.
Yeah, if it's got a diesel engine in it, basically this can be put on it.
Well, we can take air out of gas, so.
Yeah, absolutely. Moving on, this is our Mazak Quick Turn 250. It's a 2-axis lathe. And this is, again, an R&D machine and where we really got started.
Right.
So a lot of the lathes are great at creating round parts. So fittings, things of that nature. Can, again, prototype it, machine it right here, and get on with testing.
The next machine came in with this.
The next machine. Now this is my baby right here,
yes.
this machine. So this is called a Pallotech setup, and that is this right here. We have 24 pallets and an automated loading system, that robotic loader right there, and this Pallotech is attached to 2 Mazak horizontal mills.
So those can run for about 7.5 hours unmanned, right?
Unattended, yep. We are running 24/7, and some of that is lights out. So this is loaded full of material. The shift leaves for the day, and it will sit there and run until the next shift comes in.
Every machine that we have runs lights out now from this point on.
These machines go through quite a bit of coolant on a daily basis, and there used to be a few manual hours a day of people loading. Now we even have an automated system that keeps them completely full, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's go around the back of this machine.
That's the cool side.
That's right, and we'll show you the products that are currently getting machined here. Down on this lower level, this is just half of the parts that are getting machined, but you can see we have one of our L5P drop-in series system bases that are currently getting machined. We have our Ford drop-in series filter base getting machined, and our T-blocks here that go on our industrial series systems and our Titanium Signature series, Titanium Signature Plus systems. And again, we are running this machine 24/7, just cranking out products. These are our 2 Haas lathes. Now these machines are
about a month old, right?
Yeah, they're only about a month old. They are dual spindle. They have bar feeders, which is that big long thing on the back there. And the coolest feature of it is that they are robotically loaded. Our team will load raw blanks on that cart. It will take those raw blanks, load them in the machine the complete part, pull it out, grab a new blank, and just start machining again. We use a special insert called a PCD insert, and it gives us an ultra-high surface finish and really gives a nice aesthetic look to our sumps. And going on to the various applications that we can cover that are not pickups or semi-trucks, I mean, we are talking about marine applications, defense applications. You're right, defense, generators. Some of those defense applications have actually been on drones, refueling stations for drones, anything with a diesel engine.
When you do those cold starts and you just put your foot to the floor, that's where a lot of damage happens to the injection system, and we can prevent that.